What are the legal implications of using self-defense techniques? In recent days, discussions around self-defense techniques and their legal ramifications have gained significant attention. Many people are curious about what happens when martial arts are used in real-life situations. This topic is particularly relevant as self-defense cases are frequently in the news. Understanding the legal implications is essential for anyone practicing martial arts or considering self-defense techniques. When using self-defense techniques, the legal implications primarily revolve around the principles of justifiable use of force, proportionality, and reasonableness under the law. Most legal systems recognize the right to defend oneself from imminent harm. This right allows a person to use reasonable force to prevent injury or death. However, the force used must be necessary and proportionate to the threat faced. For example, using excessive force beyond what is needed to stop the attacker can lead to legal consequences. The force applied must match the level of threat. If a minor threat is met with severe violence, the defender may be held liable. Courts often assess whether a reasonable person in the same situation would have used similar force. Martial arts techniques that cause serious injury or death may be scrutinized to determine if they were justified. Some jurisdictions requiring a person to retreat or avoid confrontation if safely possible before using force. Others have stand your ground laws that remove this duty. Understanding local laws is critical because failing to retreat when required can affect the legality of self-defense actions. Using weapons or tools, such as sticks or canes, in self-defense introduces additional legal considerations. For example, controlling a weapon limb in an attacker is essential to avoid escalating harm unnecessarily. Improper use of weapons can lead to claims of assault or manslaughter if the force is deemed excessive. Proper training in self-defense disciplines like judo, Brazilian jiu-jitsu, or striking arts can influence legal outcomes. Demonstrating that techniques were applied skillfully and with control may support a claim of reasonable defense. Conversely, reckless or uncontrolled use of martial arts techniques can be used against the defender in court. Legal authorities also consider the context, whether the defender was the initial aggressor or provoked the attack. Intent matters. Self-defense must be reactive, not preemptive or retaliatory. Using martial arts techniques outside of an immediate threat scenario can lead to criminal charges. Using self-defense techniques carries legal responsibilities. The defender must ensure their actions are necessary, proportional, and reasonable under the law. Training and understanding local self-defense laws are essential to avoid legal trouble after a physical confrontation.